Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Binance crypto wallet. First, you will need to create an account on the Binance platform. This involves providing some basic information and completing identity verification. Once your account is set up, you can enable crucial security features like two-factor authentication. We will then cover how to deposit funds into your wallet and manage your diverse crypto assets. Finally, we will discuss important security best practices to keep your investments safe. Setting up your Binance account is straightforward. Start by visiting the official Binance website or downloading the mobile application. You will register using your email or phone number and create a robust password. Next, complete the identity verification, often called KYC, by submitting required documents. This step is crucial for security and compliance. Finally, activate two-factor authentication using an authenticator app or SMS to add an extra layer of protection to your login. Once your account is secure, you can fund your wallet. To deposit crypto, navigate to the deposit section, select your desired coin, and copy the unique wallet address. Always double-check the network. For withdrawals, choose the asset, enter the recipient's address, and specify the amount. You can easily view your current balances and transaction history in your Spot wallet. Binance offers various wallet types, like Spot and Funding, each serving a specific purpose for managing your digital assets. Protecting your assets is paramount. Always use a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols, and never reuse it. Ensure two-factor authentication is active on your account for every login. Be extremely cautious of phishing emails or websites that mimic Binance. Always verify the URL. Regularly check your transaction history and account activity for anything suspicious. Remember, Binance will never ask for your password or two-factor authentication codes directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.